Do you want to travel in China? Do you want to do business with the Chinese people? Or do you just want to make friends and learn about Chinese culture? Now you've just opened the right door. We invite you to come and learn Chinese with us at TenWest. TenWest is a private language school that offers a variety of Chinese online and in-person courses, and have done so since 2006. We are in the city of Kunming, which means Spring City with year-round beautiful weather. We hope these free language videos will help you to fulfill your dreams to speak Chinese.
Hello, everyone. 大家好. My name is Fanny. I am a Chinese teacher at TenWest Language School in Kunming, China. Today, I want to introduce one of the language methods that we use. Growing Participator Approach, also called GPA. It's a method that can be used to learn any language. GPA is created by American linguists Greg and Angela Thompson. This method had 6 phases, and today I just want to show you the first phase. As we know, this phase is called 1A, here and now phase. The first 100 hours with the students. The first footage is the silent phase. The student is just listening what the teacher says. During the lesson, I will speak Chinese only. So, you need to try and find out what I am speaking. Now, let's begin.
你好，你好，你好，你好，我是 Fanny， 我是 Fanny， 你是 Fanny 吗？你是 Fanny 吗？不是，不是。你不是 Fanny。我是 Fanny。你做，你做，我做，我做，你做，你做。我是 Fanny， 我是女人，女人。我是女人，你是女人吗？你是女人吗？男人， 男人，女人，女人，男人，男人。我是女人，我是女人，我不是男人，我不是男人。你是男人吗？你是男人吗？你是女人吗？你是女人吗？女孩，女孩，女人，女人，男人，男人，男孩，男孩。
The second footage is teacher says and the student's response. The student needs to find out what I am saying.
女人在哪里？男人在哪里？男孩在哪里？女孩，女孩在哪里？我是女人。你是女人吗？不是，你不是女人。你是男人吗？你是男人吗？是的，是的，你是男人。你是女孩吗？你是女孩吗？不是，你不是女孩。你是男孩吗？你是男孩吗？不是，你不是男孩。做，做，我做，你做，女人做，女人做， 女孩坐，女孩坐，男孩坐，男孩坐，男人坐，男人坐，女人坐，女人，女人坐，男人，男人在哪里？女人，女人在哪里？男孩，男孩在哪里？女孩，女孩在这里，这里。
The third voltage is review time. I will show you my mouth movements and pronunciation. It will help you to correctly pronounce the words that you just learned today.
我是你是你好，你好，你好，坐，坐，坐，男人，男人，男人，女人，女人，女人，男孩，男孩，男孩，女孩，女孩，女孩，坐，坐，坐，我坐，我坐，你坐，你坐，男人坐，男人坐，女人坐，女人坐，男孩坐， 男孩做，女孩做，女孩做。
If you liked the TenWest Chinese study videos, please go to our website. You will find the study documents for this lesson. You can do it, and we can help. See you at our next lesson. 再见。
You are welcome to visit Kunming and take short-term or long-term in-person classes for a total immersion experience for all ages. Chinese courses with us will speed up your Chinese learning. For more information about studying Chinese or taking online courses, please visit our school website at www.tenwest.cn and subscribe to TenWest YouTube videos. You will receive the latest Chinese study videos for free.